Conquer your tomorrows by getting the right and relevant career guidance today. This message is brought to you by Career Corner, a division of One Nation Youth Development, moving South Africa forward.
1, 2, 3, go. Reporting live in Vet University with my sister, talking things Career Corner. Mama, what is your name and what is it you're studying here in Vet?
My name is Nzalama Angel Machevele and I'm currently studying BS in Civil Engineering, second year.
Second year. How are you finding the course? First of all, how are your marks in high school?
My marks in high school, I can say that I was one of A students, kinda. Yeah.
Okay, so you're what we call it skeng.
I don't know Zulu.
Okay, no, it's fine. What can you say to a young person who's watching you right now who say, I want to be a vet, I want to study what my sister is studying in terms of your work ethic? Yeah, let's just start off with that.
You need to work hard. You also need to work smart and make sure that you collaborate with other people. There's no making it alone, trust me.
Okay, number one. How are your marks in high school, basically?
Okay, my maths was on 78%.
Okay.
My physics was on 75. And then English, which was also required, was on 80. Was it 81 somewhere there?
Okay,
yeah,
okay. Because when I paint a picture with what kind of marks you need to have for you to qualify, you can't be like getting D, no A. You said, my mom want to go to vets. Oh, my parents don't want to take me to school. No, it doesn't work like that.
But now the competition is getting too much, so meaning that they will need something about 190-something for you to qualify to do engineering. 90-something, 80-something.
Okay.
It's no longer like before. Yeah.
Okay, future engineers, I hope you are listening. Now, Mama, we are making a movie. We're trying to make a movie, a career guidance movie, and we need this company to partner with us, the young brand, the youth brand. In fact, they just launched on the 1st of November. It's an e-hailing service, ProCabs. ProCabs, the one thing I can tell you about the ProCabs, you don't need data to request for a car to come pick you up here outside of Vets. You want to go somewhere, you can request. Do you mind just shutting them out before we go? Do you mind just saying, Mwah, ProCabs?
Mwah, ProCabs.
Mwah, Career Corner.
Mwah, Career Corner.
Conquer your tomorrows by getting the right and relevant career guidance today. This message is brought to you by Career Corner, a division of One Nation Youth Development, moving South Africa forward.